All right, guys, finally, Schrodinger's box quantum mechanics is up and running at www.schrodingersboxqm for quantummechanics.com. The cost is only $3.49 a month, and I guarantee you will dramatically improve your mechanical aptitude. You may be wondering what the difference is that you would pay $3.49 a month versus the content on YouTube here. Unlike the YouTube videos, which generally follow along as I do my diagnostic process, the Schrodinger's box quantum mechanics videos are specifically designed to teach you that process so you can do it too. We'll walk step by step through how I got my wiring diagrams, how I read and interpreted them, and also get you the basic skill set needed so that you can apply general knowledge to any situation where you may look at the tools you have and the situation that you're in and come up with how you're going to accurately do the diagnostics based just on your mechanical aptitude that the videos will give you. The second reason is you'll find some of the best case studies that I've done only on Schrodinger's box quantum mechanics, transmission diagnosis, cam and crank sensor diagnosis, and other difficult electrical diagnoses where I walk step by step through the process so that you can do them too. The final and most important reason that you would want to join Schrodinger's box quantum mechanics for only $3.49 a month is because the entire environment is dedicated towards transitioning you from an attitude of looking at repair videos as a color by numbers, back probe this wire, look for voltage on the red wire, but instead transition you to a general aptitude where you would understand all the systems within any vehicle and be able to just look at it, look at the wiring patterns, and just know from your aptitude that you gained from watching the videos and understand how the systems work, how you would back probe the signal wire or look for your power and ground rather than needing somebody to tell you which wire colors to look for. That's the purpose of the channel, to give you a lifetime of general aptitude that you can carry into any repair and diagnostic situation. All right, just check the description under this video for your link to Schrodinger's box quantum mechanics. That'll be www.schrodingersboxqm.com. QM for quantum mechanics. Check around for a little bit, see if you think you'll like it. If you like this channel, you will love that one, especially if you watch these videos and you're thinking, wow, how is he doing that exactly? I need to get a little more background. I need to understand the difference in the signal wire, the power, or the ground. If that's where you're at, then I specifically made these videos just for you so you will be able to get that understanding, take your diagnostics and aptitude to the next level. It'll be a skill set you'll have for a lifetime, so it's worth just going over and checking it out. We'll see you over there.